Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. I just got back from the post office, picked up my brand new Delrin door bushings for the MX5. Looks like they came all the way from Greece. So let's open these up and see what we got. Okay, check it out. Here it is. They look really nice. Nice and clean. It looks well made. So the next step will be to get the old ones out and put these ones in. Okay, so before we take the old bushing off and take everything apart, because these Delrin bushings are very solid and it's like a hard plastic, and they make them to fit all the MX5s, and not all of them are exactly 100% the same. So if you look at the bottom of the door, the bracket that slides over the bushing, it doesn't fit precisely, so it doesn't close, so the door won't close. And that's why they give you some sandpaper with very fine sandpaper, just to sand down the edges until it fits snugly and exactly right. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark one of the bushings left hand side, other one right hand side, and then we're going to start sanding them down and test fitting them to the doors until they slide in snugly. Then we're going to fit them onto the car, onto the body itself, and start closing the door and see how it fits up until it's 100%. Okay, so we've gotten to a point where it's starting to fit. So we're going to start going really slowly. I've been back and forth about 6 times, sanding, fitting, sanding and fitting again. So now I think it's time to take off the old one, put this one on the body, and then start closing the door and see how much we still need to sand until it fits snugly. Getting there, trusting me, letting go. Feel the sound, giving up, and falling down. Okay, one down, one to go. It fits quite snugly, so we'll see how it goes as I open and close the door more and more. But let's jump onto the next one. There it is, guys. Install is done. A little bit fiddly, a lot of sanding, fitting, fitting. So we're going to take it for a test drive, see how she handles. Apparently it's supposed to stiffen up the body, you know, so the doors don't flex, but we'll see how it goes, and then, you know, that'll be that. If there's any problems with it, you know, I'll swap it back to the stock ones, the OEM ones, but it was a cheap and easy mod, so let's see how she goes, and then we'll take it from there. Falling down, climbing up, wait for me, getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound. Well, it could just be me, but definitely feels like it's got less flex in the body. So maybe it works. Well, there it is, guys. Quick and easy, actually. We're done. Just a lot of sanding in between to get it fitted up. But besides that, quite an easy modification, and it seems to be working. Ghost doors. But that's going to be the end of the video. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and then I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.